The power of corn.
Oh yeah.
So they've been picking on that. These are some small ears, but again, next year with our special seed that we got a deal working right now on some special seed. So they're using it.
That's pretty. Look at that view.
But the woods are way, way open.
Oh my gosh, yes. But I would think in a few years that's going to change, or do you need more canopy thinning yet?
I think I need more canopy. I think it's the opposite. I think it's opening back up from when it was logged. I think we're at that point. I need to get a fire through, and I've talked to Missouri Department of Conservation about some of that stuff and such. So we'll just have to see. You know, you see the hole right there when skittered. That was a skittered hole right there.
Yeah.
Just drove right straight down the hill. That'll make you pucker. Oh, I went on the wrong side. I was going to put it on your side. Dave Ramsey looking for advice?
I keep getting a call from this number, and I don't know if it's Kurt's buddy. If it is, I don't know why he's not just sending me a text, or if it's...
Or leave a message.
Yeah, exactly. One or the other. I'm getting so many spams, though, so...
All right, so you can see they're digging.
Yep.
They're digging now. That's good. I'm glad they're digging. They know what that is. That'll give a lot of food source. You got the heater in this. Is amazing.
I know, it is nice. Alright, we're in his far back plot now.
Corn and beans, they're holding up a little bit. They're doing okay. They're keeping up with them, but they're tracking along here. We're going to take this corn and beans right up to the edge next year. I didn't for the first year because I didn't know. We're going to take it. They are definitely pulling the corn down. They're eating it off of the stalk. The soybeans, they're stripping them now. This ice really pushed them to forage for it, and I think they now know what them soybean pods are. I don't think they knew what soybean pods were, but I'm looking at it's getting stripped. This is running out of food fast, but.
So cool having corn.
I did not have the best crop in here, but I'm getting them all night long up in here. You can see the tracks just over and over and over. Center of that corn right there, and I moved it to be centered on the clover. Of course, then it snowed, but it still worked out to be a much better spot. I took 3 does one night with the rifle.
Wow,
Out of that spot. They just kept coming in. I could have shot all the does I wanted at that point. So that worked out pretty good.
Not bad for a deer desert where nothing's going to grow in the over.
No, this was planted the last week of June.
Yeah, you were
The work, I was behind on it, but it still got there. So I really probably only had about half of the corn I wanted. So they've been picking on that. These are some small ears, but again, it was just at the beginning of the drought is when it got planted. So I think next year with our special seed that we got a deal working right now on some special seed, and I think we're going to be in really good shape next year.
Yep, really good shape.
The power of corn.
Oh yeah.
The power of corn.